Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to automatically send SMS notification to your customers whenever there's a new payment made on InstaMojo. In this video, I am using Twilio as my SMS service application, but you can use any SMS service application like SMS Horizon, ClickSend, etc. Well, let me tell you one thing. While working with InstaMojo, it was quite difficult for me to manually copy all the details of the new payment made on InstaMojo and then send the details of the payment in the Twilio. And that was taking a lot of time. That is why now I want to bring some automation in between these two applications to avoid this manual process. And so that whenever there's a new payment received on my InstaMojo, the SMS notification will be automatically sent from my Twilio account to the person making the payment. But there's an issue, and the issue is both InstaMojo and Twilio do not have any sort of direct integration between them. That is why we are going to use integration software Pabbly Connect. With the help of Pabbly Connect, we can transfer the data from InstaMojo to Twilio. And the best part here is we do not require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so this is basically a product, and now I'm going to buy this product, make my payment in InstaMojo, and then we are going to check if I have received the SMS notification or not. So let us buy this product. Let us fill in the details. Okay. Phone number. Let me add the phone number now. Moving forward, let me fill in the shipping details, and now let us finally pay. Okay, so my payment is successful, and I have also received a SMS from Twilio stating all the details of my product, name, email address, and everything related to that. So this is possible that whenever there's a new payment received on InstaMojo, we can send an SMS notification automatically to the person making the payment on real time with the help of integration software Pabbly Connect. And you can also do it. How? Let me show you. For that, just search for pabbly.com in your browser first. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Now you have to click on products and then click on connect. After that, click on sign in. Okay, so since I have already signed into my account, that is why this is the screen that is appearing in front of us. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Next step is just scroll down and click on access now at connect. So this is basically the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here we can create a new workflow. So just click on create workflow. Name your workflow here. I'm going to name it as InstaMojo to Twilio. I will attach the link of this workflow in the description box as well. So just in case if you want to access this workflow, you can directly clone it into your account by signing it for free. Now, next is click on create. So your workflow is created. This is basically the trigger window. And here we have to select our first application here, that is in choose application. And the first application that we are going to select is InstaMojo. Why? Because now we are going to integrate our InstaMojo to Pabbly Connect. Next is we have to fill in the details for trigger event. Now you must be thinking, what am I talking about this trigger event, trigger window and everything related to that? So let me tell you. Automation runs on two simple concepts, that is triggers and action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. So connecting it with our use case today is whenever there's a new payment received on InstaMojo, we want to send an SMS notification to the person making the payment. And that is why at trigger event, we are going to select new sale. In case you want more trigger events or action events of your choice, then you can click on request integration and request any sort of trigger event and action event that you want. Next, what you have to do is just copy this webhook URL. You might be thinking, what is this webhook? So let me tell you. Webhook is an essential way to get the data from the external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. You simply have to copy this webhook URL go to your InstaMojo account. Okay, so this is my InstaMojo account, and now I'm going to create a product. Okay, so I'm going to add a product. I'm going to write the title, women's dress. Okay, product detail. You can add any details that you want. I'm just doing it to make you understand. So this is just some random details. Let me select the product category. I don't want to add product tags. I'm going to upload a picture. So let me select the picture. This one. Okay. It's getting uploaded and it's done. Let us select the pricing. So this is the pricing. I am selecting it. We're going to ship it within 1 day or something. Now at advanced setting, what you have to do is just scroll down and at webhook URL, just place the webhook URL that we copied. And now click on add product to store. Okay. So the product is getting created and a product is created. Now move back to Pabbly Connect account. What you have to do is click on capture webhook response. And after that, again move to our product, and now we are going to fill in the details and buy this product. Okay, so let me enter some of the details here. Next is the phone number. Quantity is 1. Next is this, the shipping address. Okay. And next is I'm going to make a payment. So let me make a payment. Okay, so the payment is successful. Now move back to your Pabbly Connect account. You can see the webhook response has been generated. The address we want, the email address, the name of the customer, the number details, phone number details, pricing and everything related to that. So basically we have completed the first step, that is we have integrated our InstaMojo to Pabbly Connect. Now we will move to a second step. For that, click on this plus button. This is our action window, and here we have to select a second application, and that is Twilio, because now we want to integrate our Twilio account to Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now here we have to select the action event, and the action event is send SMS message. Okay, now click on connect with Twilio. Now here we have to fill in the details, that is of account SID and authorization token. This you can find it from your Twilio account. Let me show you. This is my Twilio account. This is the dashboard of Twilio, and at this place you can simply copy the account SID from here and paste it. Again you have to paste the account SID here, so let me paste it. Now here you basically have to fill in the authorization token detail. So that is available here again. That is this one. Copy it and paste it here. After that, just click on save. Okay, so now you can see we have connected our Twilio account to a Pabbly Connect account, and some set of blank is appearing in front of us. The first one is the body of the SMS. Here basically you have to type a SMS and create a body of SMS or create a message in simple words. And you can enter the entire SMS here. You can use /n for the new line character. That is, just enter the SMS body, and if you want to add a new line, just add /n. So let me write the body of my SMS for now, and that is hello. Now I want to map the buyer's name. So let me map it from here. Okay, so this is the buyer's name. Now I want to add a new line. For that, let me add /n. And the new line is thanks for shopping at InstaMojo. Okay. Next thing that I want to write is we received a payment for your product. Next, what I'm going to write is this is your payment ID. For that, let me add a new line. And now what am I going to do is, I'm going to add and map the payment ID after this. So the payment ID is this one, and I'm done with the body of the SMS. Now let's move to the sender's number. Here you have to actually write the Twilio account verified number. My verified number is this, so I'm going to simply copy it and paste it. You can also copy it in the same way after opening your Twilio account. Now we have to write the recipient number, enter the contact number of the recipient, example this. So let us map the recipient number. Okay, so the recipient number is this. Let me add the country code before this, and that is +91 according to my country. Now I'm going to save and send the test request. You can see API response has been generated and all the data has been captured by Pabbly Connect. Next, what am I going to do is check if I have received a SMS or not. Yes, I have received a SMS from Twilio, and the SMS is, "Hello Nimisha, thanks for shopping at InstaMojo. We received a payment for your product. This is your product," and the product ID is mentioned over here. So basically, we have completed our integration process. That is, we have integrated our first application, that is InstaMojo, to Pabbly Connect, and then we integrated Pabbly Connect to Twilio. And after this, what will happen is, whenever there's a new payment made or received on InstaMojo, SMS notification will be sent to the person who is making the payment on real time automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two applications, but we can integrate n number of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, then you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. Thank you.